2-3 weeks on the Dalton. It's time to clean Cupcake. I've never seen her this dirty before. Here we go.
far?
It has been 30 minutes. 28 minutes. Sorry.
Hey, how many dollars?
I don't know.
Probably 50 at least.
On the Dalton Highway, they put down like a water spray of calcium, and the calcium helps the mud solidify, so it's not quite so muddy. What was that?
Yeah, calcifies it.
Yeah. So that's great for there, but when it gets on our rig, it dries into like this concrete-ish mud.
Good thing we took showers this morning. We're speckled with mud.
Yeah, I'm covered. I'm content with, we're going to get most of it off.
Yeah.
It won't be the best car wash ever,
We
but
still have one entire side to go.
that's very cheery. Thank you.
Yeah. No, that wasn't for you. That was for those at home watching this interesting tidbit.
We take people where they've never been before.
That's one way to put it.
Like, do you think F&T is going to say, boy, I wish I was there right now?
Oh yeah. Where are you at? I think Mr. Kinsella, you come up here and start watching this rig.
Yeah.
How about you?
Wanted to be at the Arctic Ocean.
You can see for miles. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Can you see yourself washing Cupcake and spending lots more money just to make her look cute again? Her beauty is coming through. I already scrubbed that part like 3 times. So muddy, so many bugs. Yeah. Yeah, didn't quite get there, did it? Pretty close. Looks good.
Yeah.
Doesn't gotta be perfect. You're gonna get dirty again.
I think this may be the cleanest part of the whole truck.
Yeah, from mud standpoint for sure. How's this do for your COVID?
What's that?
How's this do for your...
Yeah.
Make you feel better?
Oh, no doubt.
I know, I feel a little shaky now. I've been working as much as Steve, even though the videos don't prove that.
You know what?
The videos don't prove it. I'm the videographer, but I also scrub, I also hosed it down.
You also what?
Hosed it down.
Did
That's
you?
satisfying. I got to do that passenger side because I would not give the hose back. I wanted to do some of it.
What did you not get to do? You're doing it right now.
No, I already did it.
Oh.
I got the hose down that side of the mud. That was very satisfying. Okay, you ready to rinse and call it good?
I'm not sure we washed it here.
I've washed that like twice, but it dries out because it didn't get a rinse after I scrubbed. I'm going to switch it.
Yeah. I
High
appreciate it.
power rinse.
So we got, it's cleanish, better than it was. I think we are down, what did it cost us? Did it 2 times, it was 24 bucks, $24.50 each time, so that's 49. Then we did a third one, didn't use it all.
23.
Yeah, so
A $75 car
75
wash.
bucks. Hopefully it's better.
I'd lie if I say I wasn't nervous and I already feel like barfing.